Hi everybody, this is the Presidential Terrace back with our unboxing video. I have this Proctor Silex double electric griddle. I actually been meaning to film it for quite a while. I actually bought this quite a while ago, but I haven't opened it. There's been so much going on, and I got it really cheap at the time I bought it. But I'd do a quick unboxing video and show you what to expect if you buy one of these. Okay, so it's non-stick. To 1 square inch cooking surface, family size, dishwasher safe grease tray. And make sure you keep an eye on those grease trays, don't lose them, because once you lose it, replacing it's going to be tough. So I've had some like this before. Cool touch handles, adjustable heat, fully immersible with cord removed. So that means it can totally go underwater. So let's see what it looks like. I already undid the one box. Doing this outside, I thought I'd do a little bit different. Let me just put you down for a minute. Let's pull this bad boy out. Okay. Here's what it looks like once you just pull it out the first time around. And I bet you, yep, this has the cord. So let me put this down again. Zip this. And show you about how long it is. This gives you an idea of how long the cord is. So it's not gigantic, but you don't really need it that long. And I think that's it for that. Say nothing with the other one, that's just an insert. Let's pull this bad boy out. And I'm going to have to put you down for a minute. It's a nice day. I thought, you know what? Let's do this outside. Alright. Here's what it looks like. And the grease tray is taped underneath here. This is some old chair I keep outside for, I guess you could say, such occasions of putting things on top of. So, voila, there you go. Of course, make sure when you buy something new like this, you always rinse everything down. Here's the guide for it. I mean, there's not really much to it. Just wipe it down and plug it in, and there you go. But I'll go over this so you can see it. And pause it if you need to. You can save the directions, I never do. It gives you an idea. Pancake basics. Of course, here's warranty information. Yeah, the rest starts in, I think, Spanish or French. Usually they have all 3 languages. Okay, that's it. I mean, really pretty simple. There's the bottom, and right here is where you would plug it in. Of course, you closer look at the temperature thing. Very simple. Turn it around. There you go. No fuss, no muss. Wipe it down, plug it in, put it on the desired temperature, and start grilling. Okay, any comments, questions, please put them below. First video might ever seen, please check out my channel. I do a lot of food reviews, restaurant reviews, tourist stuff like Disney, unboxing videos, historical locations, museums, abandoned places, tourist stuff like Disney, Legoland, etc. Museums. I just do a whole boatload of stuff, so please check out my channel if you like. Please subscribe. Okay, thank you everyone for watching. I hope everyone has a nice day. Bye everybody, bye.